Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best drill press vises. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay let's jump into the video. Number 1. Shopfox D4082 Cross Slide Vise. Shopfox's D4082 is a very heavy drill press vise, 22 pounds, but it packs in a lot of features. For starters, it is a cross-sliding vise that enables you to position the item precisely for drilling, and has an exclusive slide bar that keeps the jaws from tilting up or sideways when fastening. That said, you get a top and bottom slide travel of 4 inches in each, while a 3.75-inch max jaw opening lets you fit in large pieces inside for drilling. Other features include adjustable jibs that take up any excess play on the top and bottom slides, multiple mounting slots for easy installation and large, easy-to-use handles for smooth adjustments. However, the unit has no V-grooves for firm gripping of rounded objects. Positive side of this product, cross-sliding design lets you make precise linear adjustments. The exclusive slide bar keeps the jaws from tilting up or sideways. Adjustable jibs take up any excess play on the top and bottom slides. Large and easy-to-use handles. Negative side of this product, heavy, not easily portable. No V-grooves for firm gripping of rounded objects. Number 2. Erwin Heavy-Duty Drill Press Vise. This drill press vise is characterized by vertical and horizontal V-grooves on the jaw for gripping circular stock as you punch through. However, this groove is only on the stationary jaw. The other adjustment jaw has a smooth surface, which limits the amount of grip you get. On the bright side, the unit has an oversized main handle for additional torque, so as to give a good grip. The vise also has a precision machine base that sits perfectly flush on your drill press table, while 2 mounting slots make it easy to install the piece. Other features include a 3-inch max jaw opening, 1-inch throw depth, and a sturdy cast iron construction, with a durable powder coat finish. However, this piece has no cross-sliding feature for precise positioning. Positive side of this product. Vertical and horizontal V-grooves on the stationary jaw for gripping circular stock. Oversized main handle for additional torque. Precision machine base for perfect fitting on the drill press table. 2 mounting slots for easy installation. Durable powder coat finish. Negative side of this product. Adjusting jaw has no V-groove or textured surface for grip. No cross-sliding feature. Number 3. Erwin Tools Drill Press Vise. Erwin Tools Drill Press Vise is an exceptional mechanical tool for clamping and vertical drilling, designed with a top-end forged iron to ensure high durability and long-lasting performance. Despite having 4-inch jaw width, you can use it to clamp objects that are up to 4.5 inches long. Not only that, but the jaw also provides enough friction to stabilize a secure grip during drilling even the thickest objects. Regardless of being durable, it is incredibly affordable, small, lightweight and portable to use in light-duty drilling tasks. This features a slotted base which furnishes easy installation on the drill press and sturdy platform to hold things in place. The 1/2 deep throat guarantees reliable and precise operation with even thin projects. This one is a reliable option for working in a garage or basement as well as beginners. With around 1,000 pounds of clamping pressure, it provides enough pressure to firmly hold your workpiece in place, without leaving any single inch to slip. Number 4. Bohr Drill Press Vise. Bohr makes high-quality tools focusing on portability, and at just 3.84 pounds, this drill press vise fits nicely into their tool lineup. This is lightweight for easy transportation, but it's still made out of durable aluminum. It won't last nearly as long or stand up to as much use as an iron vise, but it's an excellent option for portability or casual woodworkers. The jaws open up to 4 inches, so you can use this tool to clamp thick pieces of material. They include a V-shaped groove on one side to allow for clamping of round materials horizontally. Positive side of this product. Lightweight and very portable. Made of quality aluminum. Negative side of this product. The clamp screw doesn't provide much leverage. Number 5. HIP Pro Series Quick Slide Drill Press Vise. HIP makes precision tools for non-professionals, so it's no surprise that this is our favorite vise for secure clamping. The jaws close very tightly, and you're unlikely to experience any movement in your workpiece while you're drilling. The quick clamp lets you make rapid adjustments without having to spin handles, so that you can get through your project faster, and with less effort. Our only issue with the jaws is that the bottom of the clamp extends beyond the clamping surface, so you won't be able to hold small pieces of material in place, unless you use vise parallels. This is slightly inconvenient if you plan to work with thin stock, but it won't bother most woodworkers. The vise is made out of durable iron, and weighs in at 9.1 pounds. It's likely to last through years of use and workshop abuse. Positive side of this product, jaws clamp very tightly and securely. Quick clamp allows for smooth adjustments. Made of very durable materials. Provides plenty of vertical clearance. Negative side of this product: cannot clamp small material without parallels. Only adjusts in one direction. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.